How to fix Play Store can't update app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. First thing, go to settings on your phone like this, and then search for apps and click on it, and click again on apps. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Google Play Store and then click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions right here, and then go to the data usage and make sure also to enable all those options, and then go back and click on storage, click on clear data, and then click on this clear cache option. And now all what you have to do is click on force stop and then go back and search for Google Play services, click on it and click on storage, click on manage space, and then click on clear all data, go back and clear cache. Now restart your phone and reopen Play Store and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.